Sure, no problem. All right, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Oh, hey there. I'm meeting my friends Chris, Leanne, and their son Ben to run a few errands. Leanne said that Ben wanted a little snack before they hit the road. I might grab something for myself. Snack time, like most everyday activities, is the perfect opportunity to enhance your child's math, literacy, and social skills. It's easy to help your child understand that print has meaning. While you're getting everything ready, draw his attention to all of the print on food packaging or nutrition labels. It will reinforce that print is everywhere and that there is meaning associated with the words he sees. Pointing out printed words on packaging is also a convenient way to encourage letter recognition.
All right, so can you tell me, where's the letter C? Where's the C? Do you see any other C's on there? Crackers has 2 C's, doesn't it? What other letters do you see? What's this one?
R, A.
You can point out the letters on the food packaging that connect to familiar names.
Very good. Hey, what else starts with C? What other words start with C?
Cat.
Cat.
Car.
Car.
Snack time can also be used to expand your child's vocabulary.
Clementines? You guys like clementines? Remember the little oranges? Do you like clementines?
Talk about the specific names of food. Pineapple, celery, oatmeal, or clementine.
Healthy stuff.
Yeah, does it have veggies in there? Yeah, there's a veggies in there and there's fruit in there.
Describe what you're doing, what you're eating, and what you're tasting.
How many?
Explain slicing, spreading, melted, frozen, and if something is healthy, delicious, salty, or crunchy. Continue the conversation during snack time by expanding on what your child says and modeling how to speak in complete or full sentences. For example, if your child asks for something to eat by just saying, snack, you can respond to him by asking, you would like a snack? What would you like to eat for your snack? We have fruit, crackers, or yogurt. Simply talking with your child during snack time teaches the basic skills of conversation, such as tone of voice, eye contact, listening, and turn-taking. Leanne really does a nice job asking Ben open-ended questions that challenge him to answer with more than one word.
Look at, what's at the top? Those little holes? Wonder what those are for. Do you have any ideas?
Open-ended questions encourage him to think and give a longer response.
What else do you like to eat on your crackers other than cheese?
While you're talking, add in some math concepts. You might ask, would you like 2 crackers or 4 crackers? Count them out with him and then ask, did I give you the right amount? Compare size and quantity of snack items. As you're slicing apples, you might say, we have 2 whole apples. I'm going to cut one into 2 halves. Which is bigger, half of this apple or this whole apple? You can also use food to point out any shapes you notice. Cheese slices can be cut from squares into triangles, or talk about 3-dimensional shapes. A can of fruit is a cylinder, an orange is a sphere, and cheese can also come in cubes. Snack time can be used to build math and literacy skills, but it's also a great setting for developing healthy eating habits, good manners, and a sense of responsibility.
Well, first of all, snack time's probably one of the key times when children can get some of those dietary components that they don't get during their other meals. So it's a great time to work in some of those nutritional needs that they maybe have left out at other meals or decided not to eat. It's also a great learning opportunity because you can really get kids engaged in order to helping prepare the food. It also is a great learning opportunity, so if they're learning math, it's a great time to have them count how many grapes are going to go into the snack we're going to make today, and they can count that. And if they're learning reading, it's a way for them to read the recipe, and maybe they can learn different words that maybe they don't know right now. So it's a great time to kind of focus both family time as well as focusing on learning as well and getting them the right nutrition needs. Sometimes you can just ask them, is there a certain snack you're wanting? The other thing is you may have to kind of lead into it, because if you just leave it open-ended, they may be asking for the cookies, the candy, those types of things, which are okay some of the time. But what we also want to do is, do carrots and dips sound good for a snack? Do grapes sound good for a snack? Does yogurt and fruit sound good for a snack? So kind of leading them into the healthier snacks, but also something, what sounds good. If that doesn't sound good, what sounds good to you? So that type of conversation is an easier way for kids to also know what they want.
So talk with your child while you're having a snack, doing laundry, or out running errands. By having intentional conversations with your child, you can promote early learning of math and literacy skills in a fun and meaningful way. Check out our website for additional information. Maybe I'll take an apple with me.